welcome back to another video on a boiling hot day. It's only about 10 past 10 in the morning and it's already about 30 degrees. Lovely. Here to see a cleaning train. And I know it's not the time for cleaning trains, but they've brought it out to cool down the tracks with its water. So, yeah. Yeah, it's definitely a bit hot. It's due past here in 3 minutes, so see you then. Yeah, it's it. Whatever that was. But that's that, and that's now going to Nottingham, so see you in the next video. See you out.